welcome back to my channel Explore Multi Things with Sai. Today we will make a scrolling background. So let's see the project. When the green flag is clicked, the background will start scrolling. See, it is being scrolled. We'll make this only. So let's guys, for opening Scratch we have to open Google Chrome, then type here scratchmededu.com, then open it, then click on create. It is loading our sprites and creating the project. After this, so let's start. Just open here, choose a go to choose a backdrop, choose blue sky, click here on stage, go to backdrops, right click here, first select it, just or copy it from here, go to code, click, take your mouse pointer here, click on paint, go to costumes, click here, paste. Okay, here it will come. First we have done. Now delete this backdrop again, go to paint, click here, paste. As we are putting our backdrops as a sprite, first put it here. See, I will show you code, or you can do it from here also. This is a sprite too, so let me put it here. Yeah, it is hidden. And after this, let me code this. Start the coding. Go to events, take when the green flag is clicked block. After that, go to looks and take, scroll down, scroll up, go to back layer, and after that go to motion. From here go to take this block, type here 0, y will be also 0 and x will be also 0. After that go to control, from there take forever block. After that go to motion and take change x by, type here -5. After that go to controls again, from there take if then block. Now go to operators, take this operator. After that go to motion, from here take this block and type here, not this one, yes, x position block, put it here. We'll type here 465 minus 460 okay. After minus, doing minus 460, now go scroll up, yeah. Now go to x, y will be 0 and x will be 465. Okay, Now let's check it. Yeah. Just a minute, let me hide this. Yeah. When it is going from here to here, it is coming from here, and we can see the blank space. Now in that we will put this sprite. First delete this sprite, right click here, duplicate it, type here 460, and now go to sprite 1. Now let's put it here. Now let's start it. See, we have created. So let's test our project. When the green flag is clicked, a background is being scrolled. It is working correctly. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.